Big Bird, please.
Big Bird for $200. Listen carefully, Big Bird. According to the World Book, what is the biggest bird on Earth?
Well, you mean other than me?
What kind of a bird are you, by the way?
I'm a lark.
A lark. You certainly are. But besides you, Big Bird, what is the biggest bird on Earth?
Well, it's not. It's either an emu or an ostrich. I would say an ostrich.
An ostrich.
I agree.
It's an ostrich. Very good, Big Bird. Okay. Time. All right, Ava, you'll start this game. Good
I'll
luck.
start with Big Bird.
$9,200.
Gosh, I was excited about 63 cents.
Okay, listen carefully. I must caution my studio audience. Don't shout out any answers. Don't applaud. Don't laugh. Don't do anything. It's very important for Ava Keller here. What Broadway... Do you know anything about Broadway shows?
Broadway.
Yeah, that's right. Well, what Broadway show gave us the immortal song T for Two? T for Two. Was it No No Nanette, The Ziegfeld Follies of 1919, or T for Two?
I'm only 6 years old. Well, let's see. What was beside T for two? The first two?
We had T for Two, too. You know that song? Was
Yeah,
that from
T
No No
for
Nanette,
Two.
The Ziegfeld Follies of 1919, or T for Two?
Well, yeah. What was the other?
T for Two?
Yeah. Well, I think it was the first one you said.
No No Nanette.
No, may I change that? The second. What did you say? The second one?
The Ziegfeld Follies of 1919?
Yeah, we'll go for that one.
He says The Ziegfeld Follies of 1919.
I'll agree.
No. Big Bird, you were correct on the first one. It was No No Nanette. It was revived several years ago.
Rats.
Or birds, actually. We have a commercial. We'll be right back.
Carol Channing, please. Thank you.
True or false? Manufacturers of ladies' foundation garments are saying that women's waists are expanding much faster than their busts or hips.
Did you know that, Ava? Women's waists are expanding. How frightening.
Much faster.
than their butt. They're going to be bigger than the butt. We're all going to be egg-shaped. They're expanding. Do you suppose it?
I like eggs.
Can it's all right with you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well. Then if it's all right with Big Bird, yes, that's
She said yes,
true.
definitely.
I agree.
Do you know, in 50 years, a beauty contest winner may measure 36. Make a nice dart. Yeah. Okay, you have the block. Put a signal there. Ava, Rick, we're going to have to wait till Monday morning to start a brand new match as time is up for this week. Big Bird, I really want to thank you and Oscar the Grouch. Please come back and see us again.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Marshmallow.
No, that's Marshall. Yes, Marshall. Peter Marshall?
Yes. That's your name.
Right.